Tonight, after 2 reports of engines catching fire
surrounding mystery car fires involving some BMWs.
Thousands of cars recalled for a fire risk.
The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration just issued park outside warnings for 12 vehicles. Fire risks so severe, they are telling owners don't park in your garage, don't park near buildings, don't charge overnight. Over 1.1 million vehicles affected. Some caught fire after recall fixes. Others spontaneously combusted while turned off. Here are the 12 cars that NHTSA says pose immediate fire danger. Number 12, and it's shocking, it's a brand new car. Volvo EX30 2025 to 2026. Brand new car and immediate fire warning. Volvo issued recall January 12, 2026 for 40 2025 EX30 vehicles. Microscopic lithium plating growth inside battery cells triggers short circuits and fires. Batteries manufactured by Sonata Power Battery Company in China. Australia recalled 2,815 units. US got 40. Owners who just bought $35,000 entry-level EVs received letters. Park outside. Limit charging to 70%. Wait for remedy. The devastating part, Volvo admits they haven't developed a permanent fix yet. Interim solution restricts charging to reduce overheating risk while engineers figure out the problem. Owner notification letter mailed February 23, 2026. Some EX30 delivered in late 2025 had owners parking outside within weeks of purchase. New car smell replaced by fire risk anxiety. Number 11, and one of the most popular one, the Hyundai Tucson from 2022 to 2024 for trailer wiring fire risk. Hyundai's best-selling SUV just got a park outside warning. NHTSA recalled 51,587 Tucsons for trailer wiring harnesses that catch fire. The optional Movies Tow Hitch wiring was installed incorrectly at dealerships, allowing water into the control module. Insufficient sealing means moisture accumulates and causing electrical shorts. 3 confirmed fires already reported. But here's what's worse, you don't need a trailer attached. The wiring exists whether you tow or not. Auto Evolution confirmed all fires occurred in 2025 with 287 complaints since 2022. The defect also kills trailer brake lights, meaning other drivers can't see you stopping. Hyundai investigated for 8 months before admitting the problem. NHTSA ordered owners park outside away from structures until dealers replace the entire harness. Owners notification mailed February 16, 2026. Free repairs available, but your family SUV sits outside until then. And a quick reminder, if you think that I'm delivering something of value, please hit the like button and subscribe to Carisma. Thank you, and let's get back to the list. Cars number 10 come from a sport luxury car manufacturer, BMW, for 3 Series, X3, Z4 from 2019 to 2022. BMW issued NHTSA recall 25V-636 for 196,355 vehicles in September 2025. The Denso-supplied starter motor relay corrodes when exposed to water during normal operation. Corrosion causes electrical shorts leading to overheating and fires while driving or parked with ignition off. Only 0.1% estimated affected, but BMW couldn't identify which specific vehicles. Solution: recall all 196,355 cars. Models include 2019 to 2021 330i, 2019 to 2022 Z4, 2020 to 2022 X3, X4, 530i, 2021 and 2022 430i and convertible, 2022 230i, plus 1,469 Toyota Supras. NHTSA issued urgent park outside advisory. Owner notification mailed November 14th, 2025. Free starter motor replacement with redesigned unit. No injuries reported yet, but thermal events investigated since January 2025. Premium German engineering, catastrophic American recall. Cars number 9 belong to, again, Hyundai for 2023 Tucson, Palisade, and Sonata. Same oil pump disaster, different Hyundai models. The 2023 Tucson, Palisade, and Sonata share the identical defective component. Hyundai confirmed 4 incidents of heat damage pumps before issuing warnings. NPR reported 52,000 Hyundai vehicles affected in August 2023 recall. The nightmare: families bought brand new $35,000 to $50,000 SUVs and sedans only to receive park outside warnings months later. Hyundai's statement: owners should park away from structures because the electronic controller in the oil pump can overheat even when the vehicle is off. The recall notice specifically stated fires could occur even without warning. Dealers inspect and replace suspect pumps, but damage to Hyundai's reputation already done. 3 different model lines, same dangerous defect. Car number 8 belongs to an American car manufacturer, Jeep Wrangler 4xe from 2020 to 2025 for battery fire risk. Part of the massive 375,000 Jeep plug-in hybrid recall issued November 2025. Stellantis confirmed 228,221 Wrangler 4xe models affected. Samsung SDI battery separator damage can cause fires while parked or driving. The devastating truth: this is the 3rd recall for the same defect. Previous fixes in 2023 and 2024 failed. NHTSA investigation found 9 fires occurred in vehicles already repaired under the 2024 recall. 1 injury reported. Stellantis told owners refrain from charging and park away from structures. Battery risk reduces when depleted. Consumer Reports documented the never-ending pattern. Wrangler 4xe owners paid $55,000 to $70,000 for off-road machines now sitting in parking lots uncharged, waiting for a fix that's imminent but undefined. Remedy still under development. Car number 7 is again another American car manufacturer and again a sub-brand of Stellantis, the Chrysler Pacifica hybrid from 2017 to 2021. The never-ending recall nightmare. Chrysler recalled Pacifica hybrids 3 separate times: 2020, 2022, and 2024. The 2022 fix failed. 7 additional fires occurred in vehicles that received the repair. Total affected: 19,516 vehicles. 4 people hospitalized for smoke inhalation. The defect: a folded or torn note tab plus a second unidentified factor. NHTSA still can't pinpoint. Translation: they don't fully understand what's causing fire. The Stellantis engineers admit that the previous software update wasn't effective. The 2024 recall notice states fires occurred while vehicles were turned off and some while charging. Owners told don't charge and park outside away from structures. 1 ferry service crossing Lake Michigan banned 2017 to 2021 Pacifica hybrids entirely. Families bought $45,000 minivans that became parking lot liabilities. Car number 6 is probably the biggest one, the Chevrolet Bolt EV and EUV from 2017 to 2022, the most expensive EV recall in history. GM recalled all 142,000 Bolts ever made. Cost $1.8 billion. NHTSA confirmed 12 separate battery fires in parked vehicles. Some sat for days before spontaneously combusting. The defect: 2 rare manufacturing issues in the same LG battery cell, torn note tabs and folded separators. But it gets devastating. Fires happen in vehicles that already received recall repairs. NHTSA confirmed 2 fires post-fix. GM's response: park outside, don't charge overnight, limit charging to 90%, and park 50 feet from other vehicles in garages. Multiple parking facilities in Nashville, Charleston, San Francisco, and Seattle ban Bolts entirely from posted signs. Used Bolt buyers: demand battery replacement documentation or walk away. Cars number 5 belong to, again, another sub-brand of Stellantis, Ram 2500 and 3500 heavy duty from 2022 to 2024 for intake heater fire. Ram recalled 306,165 Cummins diesel trucks for intake heater grid relay fires. 6 confirmed fires reported. 5 occurred while engines were running. 1 happened after ignition was turned off. The electrical short can trigger fires even in parked trucks with zero warning. Stellantis investigation discovered prior generation heater grid relays exhibit overheating in certain heavy-duty models equipped with 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engines. The recall expanded 2 previous smaller campaigns from 2021. Ram dealers inspect and replace solid-state intake heater grid relays. Until repairs, owners got warning. Park outside away from the buildings and other vehicles. For truck owners who depend on these $60,000 to $80,000 workhorses daily, parking outside for months isn't just inconvenient, it's devastating for business operations. Cars number 4 belongs to another South Korean car manufacturer, Kia Seltos and Sportage from 2023 to 2024. Not an EV problem. These gas vehicles got NHTSA warnings too. Kia recalled certain 2023 to 2024 Seltos and 2023 Sportage models for faulty electric oil pumps. The idle stop and go system's capacitor can overheat, short circuit, and ignite fires. Kia reported 6 incidents of melting components. The recall covered 39,000 vehicles as part of the joint Hyundai-Kia campaign affecting 92,000 total vehicles. Both manufacturers told owners park outside until dealers replace the oil pump assembly. But here's what's worse. The defect affects vehicles produced between October 2022 and June 2023, meaning it went undetected for 8 months of production. Car number 3 belongs to another Hyundai model, Hyundai Kona Electric from 2019 to 2020. NHTSA issued emergency warnings for 11,000 Kona electric vehicles after 13 battery fires globally. 3 caught fire in South Korea while parked with full charges, 2 more in Canada, 1 in Europe. All vehicles were turned off. The lithium-ion batteries manufactured by LG Energy Solutions contained folded anode tabs causing internal short circuits. Hyundai recalled 82,000 vehicles worldwide, costing $900 million. The fix: complete battery replacement on every single unit. Until repairs, NHTSA told owners park outdoors away from structures. 5 years later, if you are buying a used 2019 to 2020 Kona Electric, verify battery replacement documentation. Without proof, you are buying a car the government said was unsafe to park in garages. Car number 2 belongs to, no surprise, another Jeep model, Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe from 2022 to 2026. The luxury family hauler's fire nightmare. Stellantis confirmed 91,844 Grand Cherokee 4xe models in November's massive recall. Same Samsung battery defect as Wrangler, but here is the twist. Grand Cherokee owners spent $65,000 to $75,000 on premium 3-row SUVs marketed to families. CNN reported 19 total fires across both models. The catastrophic pattern: fires originating from high-voltage battery packs with damaged cell separators. Stellantis admitted previous software remedies under 2023 and 2024 campaigns were ineffective. 9 fires erupted in already repaired vehicles. 1 person injured. The remedy still under development. Meanwhile, owners can't charge their plug-in hybrids, can't park in garages, and can't use electric mode. These $70,000 family vehicles sit depleted in parking lots. Class action lawsuits already filed. Stellantis gave no timeline for permanent fix. And finally, car number 1, no surprise, Jeep Wrangler 4xe, the engine block disaster. Wait, the Wrangler 4xe again? Yes, different recall, worse problem. Consumer Reports documented in November 2025. 36 fires and 3 injuries from catastrophic engine failures. No batteries this time, the engines themselves. Recall 25V-766 affects 2023 to 2025 Grand Cherokee 4xe and 2024 and 2025 Wrangler 4xe. Manufacturing defect during production. Suppliers failed proper cleaning after casting engine blocks, leaving sand inside. Debris causing engine failure and fires. Warning signs, the knocking sound or check engine light. But many owners got zero warning before fires started. This is the fourth recall for some of these vehicles. Wrangler 4xe owners facing battery fire recalls and engine fire recalls simultaneously. 2 separate parking outside warnings for one vehicle. Stellantis still developing fixes for both issues. The warnings are official, over 1.1 million vehicles affected. Check your VIN at nhtsa.gov/recalls immediately. So, do you have any of these car models? Do you have any experience with the recalls? Please drop a comment below. If you enjoy watching this video, please consider watch these 2 related videos as well. If you think that I'm delivering something of value, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. That would be a huge help for us. I'm Saeed. You've just watched Carisma. Thank you very much, and I will catch you up in the next one. Thank you.